First, log into your Kraken account, navigate to the funding section, usually found in the main menu. From there, select Withdraw to begin the process. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw for this tutorial. Let's say we're sending Bitcoin. Ensure you've selected the correct coin from the drop-down menu. Now, grab your Ledger Nano X and connect it to your computer or mobile device using its USB cable. Unlock your Ledger device using your PIN. Open the Ledger Live application. You'll need to add an account for the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. If you haven't already, click on Add Account and follow the prompts to select the correct coin and verify the account creation on your Ledger device. With your Ledger Nano X connected and Ledger Live open, navigate to the specific cryptocurrency account you've just created or already possess. Click on the Receive button within that account. Your Ledger device will then display your public receiving address for that cryptocurrency. Double-check this address meticulously. It's crucial for a successful transfer. Return to your Kraken withdrawal page. In the Recipient address field, carefully paste the exact receiving address from your Ledger Nano X, as displayed on your device and in Ledger Live. Again, accuracy here is paramount to avoid losing your funds. Next, enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from Kraken. You'll also see options for network fees. Choose a fee that suits your needs for speed. Higher fees generally mean faster confirmation times. Review all the transaction details on Kraken for a final confirmation, the cryptocurrency, the amount, and especially the recipient address. Once you're absolutely certain everything is correct, proceed to initiate the withdrawal. Kraken will then initiate the transfer. Your Ledger Nano X might prompt you to confirm the incoming transaction details on the small screen. Approve the transaction on your Ledger device to securely finalize the transfer. Congratulations! Your cryptocurrency is now securely stored on your Ledger Nano X, offline and under your sole control, offering the highest level of protection for your digital assets. Happy securing.